my channel. So this is another wig install, and this video is sponsored by Luvmehair. Probably one of my favorite companies to work with, on God, no cap. So they sent me this box, and I'm gonna be showing you guys what they sent me inside. Ooh, guys, it's summertime. And I got some nails. I don't really normally go for these colors, but young one. They sent me this comb. They sent me this band to put in the wig, and this is a goodie bag, and I think it's probably like lashes inside. So let's see. Yeah, oh, I got a 2-pack lashes. 2-pack lashes. Yeah, it's 2. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, I was right. Ooh, I got some hair tie, and I got some earrings, and I don't know, I'm not sure what this is. I think this can go on the back of your phone, but yeah, it's a cute thing. Now I'm gonna show you guys what the wig looks like. Guys, all their wigs come pre-plucked, so you won't, not pre-plucked, well, it comes pre-plucked and it also comes pre-bleached. I wanted to bleach mine again just because I just feel like I want to bleach it, but you don't have to. If you don't know how to bleach wigs, then you're fine. It's already bleached, already plucked, already bleached. So this is the wig. This is the curly. I think this is more like a wet and wavy type of curl, but this is how this is its natural state. I actually didn't do anything to the back. I only did something with the front because I had to bleach it, but this is how it's looking. This is my how I plucked it. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys the inside of the wig. Okay guys, so this is a 13x4 HD lace WATERWAVE. I knew it was WATERWAVE when I saw it. I'm like, this is definitely WATERWAVE. But yeah, 24 inches. So the inside is looking. I won't be using the bands today, but this is how it's looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my even tinted lace spray in the stocking cap and pretty much just start my installing. Okay, you know what? I genuinely feel like I'm going to start wearing the headbands with the wigs. That's why sometimes when you see companies sending stuff, you know, they don't just send it for packaging purposes. Them send it to you because it genuinely are gonna help with your yeah, so I feel like they genuinely send us stuff that's gonna actually help with their installation process. Like, look at this. It's not even glued down, is it? And yeah, it's not really pulling. Yeah, I think it'll be fine. This is the lace. What lace? What lace? What lace?
Yeah, I love you so down to nothing. It's been weeks now without talking. It is time you give me something, 'cause I've given. Oh my, I'm drowning in you crystallize. Oh, I feel you got me. So you spin the spiral again and again, but I see you standing right off the bat. So you learn me dancing like crazy. Yes, I wouldn't mind it all. Oh, 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 oh. Then you spin the spiral again and again, but I see you standing right off that. So you learn me dancing like crazy. Yes, I wouldn't mind it. And you spin the spiral again and again, but I see you standing right off that. So you learn me dancing like crazy. Oh my, I'm drowning in your crystal eyes. Oh, I feel you got me. Then you spin the spiral again and again, but I see you standing right off that. So you learn me dancing like crazy. Yes, I wouldn't mind it. And you spin the spiral again and again, but I see you standing right off that. So you learn me dancing like crazy. Oh my, I'm drowning in your crystal eyes. Oh, I feel you got me. Then you spin the spiral again and again, but I see you standing right off that. So you learn me dancing like crazy. Yes, I wouldn't mind it. And you spin the spiral again and again, but I see you standing right off that. So you learn me dancing like crazy. I'm drowning in your crystal eyes. Oh, I feel you got me. Then you spin the spiral again and again, but I see you standing right off that. So you learn me dancing like crazy. Yes, I wouldn't mind it.
to nothing. It's been weeks now without talking. It is time you give me something, 'cause I've given.
Oh my, I'm drowning in your crystal eyes. Oh, I feel you got me. So you spin the spiral again and again, but I see standing right off the bat. So you lure me dancing like crazy. Yes, I wouldn't mind it. Oh, 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 and you spin the spiral again and again, but I see standing right over there. So you lure me dancing like crazy. Oh my, I'm drowning in your crystal eyes. Oh, I feel you got me. So you spin the spiral again and again, but I see standing right off the bat. So you lure me dancing like crazy.
This is the final look. Once again, I would like to thank Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love this hair. I haven't worked with WATERWAVE texture in a long time, so it was kind of refreshing to see a new curl. Well, not a new curl, but like, you know, a curl that I don't normally work with on a regular. This hair is so good. The lace is so good. You could actually wear it without baby hairs, but I like it with baby hairs. Like, you can see the front part. You don't really need baby hairs, but it's just me, you know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. The links to everything will be down in the description box, so do not forget to check that out if you want to purchase this hair. Thank you again, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.